Hello friends, in today's video, you will get a fix for your iPad stuck at 80% if you've got the new iPad Pro with the M4 chip, the iPad Air with the M2 chip, or any recent iPad model that support this feature and they are stuck charging at 80%. It's not a bug. This happens in two cases. Let's check it and fix it now. The first case is the battery health feature. Your iPad stops charging at 80% to protect the battery and help it last longer. Disable it if this feature is on. Open the Settings app on your iPad. Then scroll down and tap Battery. Next, tap Battery Health setting. Here, check if it says battery is performing normally. Below that, you'll find the 80% limit toggle. If this option is turned on, your iPad will stop charging at 80% to preserve battery health. If you want to charge your iPad fully right now, you can temporarily disable this feature by tapping the toggle switch. Keep in mind that your iPad will turn this feature back on later automatically. To keep your battery safe. The second case is high temperature. Software may limit charging above 80% when the recommended battery temperature is exceeded. In this case, wait for your iPhone's temperature to return to normal. It might stop at 80% to prevent overheating. Your iPad stops charging fully to keep the battery safe and healthy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, post your questions in the comment box.